A market breakdown on a few pairs. What's up, fam? It's your boy Shakil Sama. We're back here with another banger on a analysis on a few pairs. Basically, a step-by-step guide on how I actually analyze the market and what's my forecast for these markets. So, what we'll be looking at, guys, and we'll be looking at basically when the market decides to open, Euro USD, gold, GBP USD, Euro JPY, and USD CHF. Now, guys, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. For all the subscribers coming back to watch, I really appreciate it. Please do like this video, comment down below, guys. What your thoughts? If you like this video, any video ideas that you guys want me to post out, I'll share with you guys. Don't forget to like, guys. Once again, Shakil Sama. Let's start, guys. So we're looking at Euro USD, right, guys? And it's I've been waiting for this move to play out. I've been patient and I've really been patient with this move. But what am I saying is that if you start on the 4 hour, we'll understand that this market is quite impulsive to the downside, impulsively moving to the downside. That's why I have an arrow here to indicate that impulsive move is bearish, and we need a pattern, a continuation pattern to tell us it will continue to the downside. If you move to the 1 hour, you will see that continuation pattern. It's what we call a bearish flag. So we can see one touch, second touch, and give us a third touch, and market move down. And now we're getting one, two, three. Now the thing is, at this area is two things that can possibly happen, right? Either the market's gonna actually three things. The market will hover here, do another pattern here, maybe around this area. Let me do that perfectly for you. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. So it'll be like up, down, then go up, then down, and then like up and move down. That's one thing. Has it maybe creates a pattern there, then falls down. Or what will happen is the market will actually just continue going up to a double top, come back to this area, and then we look to sell off down. If not, right, and this market just opens up and falls down, no stress, guys. Falls down, wait for the retest, and then you start selling down. Now what I'll do is I'll target the exact same move over from this area to this, and I'll target the exact same move down like this. So my targets will be around for the sell will be at this point over here, which should line up with the zone at this end here. You can see it lines up kind of with this area. So you can see like around this area with my targets. And yeah, moving on, let's see what the next pair has for us. Okay, we go on. Okay, let's see, and move on to gold. Now, with gold again, right? It's been a great one, guys. I sent a couple of scenes out with gold, and gold's been great, amazing with me, right? I've been taking gold down from here, and then I took it again down here. So, how can we capitalize of it this coming week? The same thing. Euro USD has the euro against the dollar, right? And gold has the gold against the dollar. So if dollar's gonna get weak on Euro USD, I mean gain strength on Euro USD, then most likely it's gonna gain strength on gold correlations. So you can see that okay, the same pattern, impulsive to the downside, correction, fall, bigger correction, possibly continue to the downside. So if we go to the 1 hour, we'll see that okay, you know what can happen is there's a one touch, maybe another touch, maybe a third touch, because you see we're coming close to where the market had the rejections over here. You can see here's a rejection over here, right? Maybe get another rejection over here. So to go up again for the third touch and then fall down, that's one, right? The market can do that. That's a possibility. Or what can happen is market falls out, retests, and then we sell off to the downside. Now, where am I going to sell off to? If you go to the daily, you will see a nice clear structure, right? To the daily. These are unfulfilled weeks over here, right? So I'm seeing that okay, market impulsive down, correction, fall down to the side. So I'm looking to sell all the way down to this area for gold. There we go. So even if you have to put a sell stop around like under this area, just under around here, sell area there, and you can target all the way down to this area. First target can be here, and your stops can be just above this area over here, just above that area, something like that basically. Moving on, guys, you can see that. Let's see what we have next for you guys. And if you find this video very valuable, guys, you like understand what I'm saying, and you're like, okay, now I actually see what this guy's saying, then I'll appreciate if you actually like this video and comment down below. Comment what you're thinking right now. Right now. Yeah, GBUSD. Okay, now GBUSD I have like on the 4 and 1 hour, and what you can see that markets been moving nicely in the ascending pattern here, fell down over here and then found a double bottom. You can say head and shoulders as well, moved up. If you go to the 1 hour, you'll see a nice structure. So what I found is that market broke out this year, this trend line. You can see this trend line here, right? One, two, broke out impulsively bullishly, and I was looking for a retest, never came here down. It gave me a test here. So I saw that, you know what, 1 2 trend line, if you move the trend line from this point to this point, okay, that seems like a nice resistance. And if I actually remove this is actually another strategy over there. You can see if I move it nice like that, 1 2, and look where we are. We're at the third touch. So what I'm saying is that we most likely can get the buy opportunity back up to this area here, target this area. If it doesn't come, then you know what, most likely it will drop down to this zone over here, the 90% rule. That is for GPUSD. Quite simple. One touch, second touch, third touch, steering line. Look for buys all the way higher. Moving on to the next level, level 574. I don't know what does that, but yeah, sure. GP, Euro USD, no Euro USD. I see. Euro JPY. So Euro JPY, I think Euro JPY must still more form. It must form much more. We on the 1 hour. This one, you can see that we had a pattern as seen in here, impulsively down, correction, deeper correction to fall down, and then now falling down. And what I do see is that we have a one touch, second touch, maybe come for a third touch. So what I'm gonna do with this one is that I'm just gonna wait. Literally, I'm gonna wait. Either mark come back for trend line and then sell down, or it like breaks out completely and retest and I start buying, right? Or you know what? I'm patient for a trend line and then buy. So that's what I'm looking for. UDJPY, we just have a structure, and I thought, you know what, this is a nice structure. It's gonna form. We just need to be patient till it comes to one of the trend lines, to one of the trend line again, and then we have reaction to one of the three lines, and then we're gonna have a reaction. Okay, so watch out for it. I think this one I'll be more active. I'll post in the group if it gets to closer to the place to where we will look to buy or sell. Okay, but USD CHF. Now USD CHF, guys, this one is going to be a major move. Why Shakil? If you go to the daily, right, all the way to the daily, we will see some sort of pattern. So you see impulsive correction, impulse, correction, impulse, impulse, correction, shoulder, head, shoulder, with a massive pattern. This whole thing is a massive pattern. That whole thing is a massive pattern. And it seems it came from an impulsive move, most likely going to continue to the impulsive move. So let's do a calculation. What I like to do is I like to calculate this whole impulsive move, right? And that move, I'll take it to this area from here to here, and let's see if it lines up with the way I'm gonna most likely buy till. You see, so you see it lines up kind of perfectly with this area, with this resistance. So that will be where I'll look to buy till. So what am I saying is that this pattern which happening like this, pattern like this, yeah, something like that, then it's actually a continuation pattern. It's meaning the market's tightening, 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 losing pressure, 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 and then boom, impulse to the upside, or boom, impulse to the downside, something like that. But basically what I like to do is I like to go to the lower time frame to give me indication what will most likely happen. And you can go to like the 2 hour, go to the 2 hour, and then you'll see that what I have on the 2 hour is that we have a major pattern more on the 4. I think I'm lying on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you will see this pattern that was there, right? I can even remove this, and I show you this whole pattern. See there, impulse, not correction, break, retest. So what I'm saying is that we most likely want to take buys from here. Stops, you want to put like maybe like under the zone here, just like under this area, and you want to target the highs over here, right over there. That more just like something like that. If you want, I said this is also another area where you can place it, stop it, because this is like another low there, under that low, under this low, and then talk all the way high there. I think this is a massive move. This is a real massive move. However, you want to watch out for when it comes to this area because it can act right over here. If you want to be safe, just wait for the market to break out completely.